Hello everybody, it is Nightshade Moon here. Please pardon the fact that I look like total crap today, but I just wanted to come on and make a really quick video. I want to say it was last week or through the weekend. I entered into a little giveaway that this I want to say it's a newer company started doing. I know they do want to do little giveaways and stuff like that, like every month or so, or as often as they can. So I entered into their little giveaway and I actually won the giveaway. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing video for you guys and try to get the word out for this company, because I really like what they're about and I definitely plan on purchasing some stuff from them in the future. So I did receive the box today for the gift. It's Well, I know the one thing I won was a little crystal ball, and then there was supposed to be like a free surprise gift in there. So I wanted to just again do an unboxing video to get this out to you guys. So it came in a box like this, just a small little box. All I did was cut the tape. I didn't open it or like really look in it or anything like that. I didn't pull anything out. So again, we're gonna open this together and see what we got in here. So the first thing I see, it looks so pretty and so nicely packaged. There's a little bay leaf in there with a rune on it. I love it. Ooh, it's a nice long one too. I like that. It's so cute. I'll definitely keep that little guy. So this is my first unboxing video, so if I'm not doing it right, sorry. It looks like it's packed with, okay. Oh, this is what she was talking about. So this is actually white birch or just birch shavings that everything's packaged in it's used for the packing. And my son is calling me. What's the matter, bud? All right, give me 1 second. I want my cup filled. So anyway, let's pull out a little bubble wrap thing in here. Ooh. Oh, cool. This is what I could smell. This is Inner Peace oil. Oh my god. And it smells so good. Bubby! Come here! Sorry, please excuse me. Gage! I asked you to get me your cup so then I can fill it for you. I don't want my woody cup filled. Alright, so I'm going to put the bubble wrap over here to the side. Let's see what else. We got this box in here. Okay. I'm assuming this is what the crystal ball is in. Ooh, so when you first open it, you can see the little stand. How pretty. Oh, it's heavy. I love it. I can get the styrofoam out. Trying not to get styrofoam pieces in my coffee that's sitting right there. So anyway, sorry for my kids interrupting. Oh wow, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. So this is the 50 millimeter size. I guess you say millimeter, don't know. But I just love how beautiful that is. Thank you. I can't believe that I won a giveaway, because literally it was like the first thing I've ever won in my life. So it was like Christmas. But anyway, yeah, so I just really wanted to shout out this company. So this is Earth's Rainn Trading Divination Incense. Ooh, and it comes in a cute little tin. I need the plastic open. It's like Fort Knox. Put the trash over there. I think that's what I smell through it. Oh wow. Oh wow. That smells so nice. I love it. And there's actually a crystal just poked in there into the incense. Oh, how cool is that? This is so cool. I cannot wait to get on their website and like start getting some things. So there's a ton of this white birch shavings in here, and just make sure there's nothing else. We got a little card, so I'm gonna put the box down and scope out the little card in here. I guess I did it backwards. I should have did the card first. Whoops. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh wow, it's got some symbols on there. It's a little moon, and it has a hole in it so you could like hang it or make some jewelry. How cute is that? I love it. And then I wonder if this is the packing order. Not sure. Oh, so it's just a note thanking me for entering the giveaway. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, how cool. Oh, I'm so sorry about my toddler screaming in the background. Aw. So that was so thoughtful with the inner peace oil, which was, they wrote in the letter that it was included because they knew I was going through some hard times right now with everything. That is just the most sweetest, thoughtful thing ever, and I am so thankful. And I cannot wait. Earth's Rainn Trading. I keep saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. So Earth's Rainn Trading, I cannot wait to get on your site and start getting some stuff. And I can't wait to test out all these little gifts. I'm super duper excited. Again, it was the first time I ever won anything in my life. Any kind of giveaway or anything like that. So that was definitely like so cool. And you guys are super, super sweet for putting all this thoughtfulness into the little gifts that you included. And I just love this moon. I'm trying to figure out what it's made of. I love it. It's so cool. So anyway, thank you again so much. And you guys, I will have to link Earth's Rainn Trading, their website or their Facebook or something in the description box, as well as I will link I don't know if she owns this or runs it. I probably should have all my information straight before I did this video, so anyway, I apologize for that, guys, but I don't know if she works with the company or if she runs it, but Over the Hedge with the Wyld Wytch, I will link her YouTube channel to this video as well in the description box, so you can check her out. I know she's newer to YouTube, so you guys definitely check her channel out. Check out Earth's Rainn Trading Company. They have some cool stuff from what I've seen so far. Again, I can't wait to get on there and order some stuff. So again, Earth's Rainn Trading, thank you so much for this beautiful little surprise gifts in here and the chance to, you know, do a little giveaway for this cool crystal ball with the little stand. I love it. Again, thank you so much, and you know, thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.